Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The price of gold has added 2.2% in the last three sessions. The stochastic RSI has transitioned into the positive zone. The euro-dollar pair has remained as is in the last session. The Williams indicator has diminished into the positive area. The sterling-dollar pair has remained muted in the last session. The stochastic RSI moved into overbought territory. The Aussie-dollar pair has gained 1.2% in the last three sessions. The ultimate oscillator has slightly receded into the positive zone.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Stocks are moving higher again on Wall Street, adding to a streak that gave the market its best weekly gain since November last week. Bitcoin jumped more than 10% to a record high after Tesla said it had invested $1.5 billion in the most popular cryptocurrency last month. The EU's antitrust chief warned Apple to give equal treatment to all apps on its platform amid changes that have drawn accusations of anti-competitive practices.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The U.S. NFIB Business Optimism Index will be released at 1100 GMT, the U.S. Redbook Index at 1355 GMT, the U.S. JOLTS job openings at 1500 GMT. Germany's trade balance will be released at 700 GMT, Germany's current account at 700 GMT, Japan's Producer Price Index at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.